Hi kids! Today we're going on a fun adventure with boats and ships. This is a speedboat. It moves fast across the water using a motor. Look at this cargo ship. It carries containers full of food, toys, and clothes across the ocean. This is the inside of a ship. The captain uses the wheel to steer the boat. Wow, a rescue boat. It helps people in danger on the water. Thanks for sailing with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more big machines.